Music, by one definition, is what people call it. It can be a period of silence, a group of people banging on instruments, or heart music, as it is for this musician. Drawing from his cultural background, Teto mixes Maasai narration with modern and not so modern instruments to deliver messages that are close to his heart, messages that reveal where he's coming from and that speak to those that are probably coming from the same place.
I'm not much of a recording artist, rather a performance artist. So I have this set on stage that depicts mostly the village life and the process of the show itself, because I told you before I infuse theater in the performances, so it really has that village set. It's really just a cocktail of feelings. You know, when I hold my guitar and I just play these chord progressions that make me feel nice. And then I have these friends I play with, and they also feel it with the instruments they play. I have a friend who plays traditional percussion, African percussion.
Ramayana sesi ayonga egenyana nai Ramayana chagelele ninelai iyage nanwara neminjage rashaliyo iyayo yeleyo neminjage merigiyo iyayo yeleyo amuge jobe wodiyo nejijire ngaragiyo amuge jobe wodiyo nejijire ngaragiyo iyage nanwara iyage nanwara iyage nanwara.
With an audition tour that spanned 7 international boundaries, the mix of cultural sounds was amazing. The question is though, can a born cultural entertainer in Kenya also impress fans and judges across the continent?
My name is Teto Tutuma, and I'm from Kitengela, from Kajiado district in the south of Nairobi, and I'm an artist. Hopefully, I'm hoping to get my music out soon. I enter the adults because I jam a representation of Africa, I believe, and yes, an image of Kenya. This is me.
So, Teto, what makes you so unique?
I don't know, I'm in touch with what I am, where I'm from, my culture.
So in your mind, you are undoubtedly the next idol.
In my mind? Man, I am the next idol. Come on.
All right. Well, all the best. Go get him out there.
Thanks.
All right.